Let me ask you a simple question. If you knew an area in Dubai where the government is building the biggest airport in the world, expanding the port, adding a new metro lines, and connecting it to a national railway, would you buy a property in that area while the prices will be still at entry level? That place is Jebel Ali, and the project is called Southgarden by Wasl. Now here's the thing. Everyone chases the hype after the fact. By the time average investors realize the opportunity, the price is already up by 40%. But right now, Southgarden is launching new buildings and the prices are still where early investors make money. And unlike most of the off-plan launches, this one sold out in 48 hours the first time. People are watching this area so closely and the smart money is already moving. Before I break down the details, do me a quick favor, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends and drop a comment telling me which Dubai community you are keeping an eye on. Let's make this a proper conversation. Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rizwan with you. Wasl Gate is a full-scale community right off Sheikh Zayed Road in Jebel Ali. You have got direct access to Energy Metro Station, Festival Plaza with IKEA and Ace and Ibn Battuta Mall just 10 minutes away. Inside that master plan is Southgarden, a mid-rise residential clusters built around the green walkways, calm public spaces and family comfort. It's not a tower city, it's a community, walkable, livable and practical. Wasl Properties is not just another developer. But first of all, for the people who don't know about Wasl Properties, then let's break it down. Wasl Properties is not just another developer. It's backed by the government under the Wasl Asset Management. They have been doing this since 2008 and over 50,000 units managed across the city. Their work speaks for itself. Consistent quality, on-time delivery and strong rental track record. That matters especially in off-plan. Southgarden launched its first phase buildings, which is A, B and C, back in October 2024. And here's what the numbers look like. Studios were started at 550,000, one bedrooms were started at 930,000 dirhams, and two bedrooms were starting at 1.2 million dirhams, and three bed were standing at 1.9 million dirhams. Sizes ranged from the 399 to over 2,100 square feet, and within 48 hours, the entire phase was sold out. That doesn't happen unless the buyers see long-term value in the area. Now, with this new current launch, building D and E, Wasl is offering the same concept with the improved layouts. Studios are starting near 630,000 dirhams, while one bed are standing at 1.08 million dirhams, and two bedrooms are starting from 1.42 million dirhams, and three beds are sitting at 1.9 million dirhams. If we talk about the payment plan is very simple. 60% during construction, 40% on handover, with the delivery expected in Q4 2028. For Dubai freehold with this location, that's a sharp pricing. But here's where it gets interesting. This area sits right next to Jebel Ali Port, which is expanding as a global trade grows. Etihad Rail will soon connect Jebel Ali Port to Abu Dhabi and beyond, and also with a passenger line planned to run through that area. The upcoming Metro Brown and Golden lines will strengthen the connectivity of this area. And if we talk about Expo City, which is expected to see millions of visitors in the coming years, plus Al Maktoum Airport aiming to be the world's largest airport. All of this just minutes away from this location. For the end user, it means convenience, and for the investors, it means strong capital growth and the rental demand. But now let's do a quick comparison analysis of the price per square feet with the other projects in the same area. Southgarden is giving price per square feet average from 1,300 to 1,400 dirhams per square feet. But if we talk about DAMAC Riverside by DAMAC Properties, which is just few minutes away from this location, then it's ranging from 1,800 dirhams per square feet. If we talk about Emaar South, the previous launch, which was Golf Verge, it was starting from 1,700 and it was going up to 1,900 dirhams per square feet. And now if we talk about Azizi Venice, it's standing at 1,600 up to 1,700 range. So you are looking at a clear value gap here with the battle location, connectivity directly on Sheikh Zayed Road. If you are an investor looking at the yield and appreciation, or an end user wanting a long-term convenience, then this launch makes sense. Wasl has credibility, the community has scale, the location has infrastructure growth backed in. Before we wrap up, hit the subscribe button, drop, like, share this video with your family or friends, and tell me in the comments, would you choose the Southgardens over DAMAC Riverside or Emaar or Azizi Venice? I want to know your take. Don't sit back and wait until the prices jump. Take a hard look at this project right now, because Southgardens at Wasl Gate is not just another launch. It's a chance to enter early in a freehold master community right along Sheikh Zayed Road. So if you are are serious about getting a unit right here, then don't wait. This launch is not going to sit in the market for so long. And once the infrastructure is done, this price point will be history. So that's it for South Gardens. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.